Hi everyone, Drini here, and welcome to my channel. So today we're going to take a look at Mines of Dalarnia. It's a recently launched token, and full disclosure, I do own it, but I didn't buy it. What I have is I have a lot of cake. And when you have a lot of cake from PancakeSwap, you can actually use the syrup pools. So I'm literally mining the Mines of Dalarnia right now, but using another crypto to do so. Anyway, let's dive into the charts to see what's going on, okay? So looking at Mines of Dalarnia over a daily time frame, you can actually see that it has already formed a five-wave structure right here. So it's quite easy. This is your wave one, this is your wave two, wave three, wave four, and wave five right here. Right now, we appear to be in an ABC correction. If I zoom into the 4 hourly time frame right here, this is what I saw. Where we are in the midst of an ABC correction. So you have the A wave right here, the B wave lower high, and an eventual C wave correction somewhere in the future. So the problem with this is because we are still in the middle of the B wave, so it's hard to establish where things will potentially play out. How do we know it's a B wave? If candles start to close below this fifth wave high right here, this is how we know that we are in the midst of a downtrend before an eventual new structure that will hopefully bring us to the upside. So over the short term, there may be some more upside to Mines of Dalarnia. It's because the stock RSI right here, if you notice, we haven't really met the apex yet. So we have run up here, but sometimes it drags. So sometimes it drags like this before our eventual downside. So we may still experience some more upside right here. Have the RSI potentially come up to this level because this is sort of like the resistance level. Once it reaches this, then this may be the start of our C wave correction to the downside. So if this is going to be the B wave high, it doesn't really matter because it's not the B wave that concerns us, it's the C wave correction. Because as a person who's trying to get into the project, you want the C wave to be as low as possible so that you can come in before the eventual creation of a new structure to the upside. So from a bearish case or from a price entry case, what you want is you want the B high to be done. Eventually, we break structure on a 4 hourly and eventually lead to a destination. One good tip that I can give you, but it's not as accurate as you think, is when you have a break in structure like this. So this is the start of the A wave, right? Where you broke through structure. So lay down your fibs, but lay them out in reverse. So where this is this impulsive move right here, this is your 1 and this is your 0. And we can see where the potential C wave may play out. If we eventually meet resistance here at the 050 for this B wave high right here, where could the potential C wave be? Well, the 1618 is always a good target for any Elliott wave structure moving forward. So this is our potential target right here of around 2.15 or 2.14 cents. That is the bearish case. What about the bullish case though? Because it is possible that we are already done with our ABC correction. What do I mean by that? So this could be your potential A wave, this is your B, and this is your C, and then we have moved on from here. From a bullish case as well, we are above the EMAs right here, and we are holding support levels right here. So this may be a short ABC, and we are forming new structures right here. So how do we know that we are back on our merry ways? Let's say this is the short ABC correction. So the very bullish scenario right here is we need the EMAs to sort of climb up with us, but we hold it as support. And eventually, if we break structure moving forward, we cannot test these levels again because this is confirmation that this is a B wave and this is the eventual C wave. So if, let's say, we climb up a little bit more here, we broke structure, but we only test these levels instead of going back down to this particular low right here, then this is confirmation that this is the ABC. We have formed new structures to the upside, and from there, we are blasting off into space. From a buying opportunity standpoint, this makes DAR quite a tricky proposition because on one hand, we need more confirmation whether or not this is a B wave high. Because if this is a B wave, then you know that there's an upcoming C correction right here. But on the other hand, this is a good opportunity to purchase, right? Because we are resting on key support levels. So we are right now in the midst of an uptrend because we're above the EMAs right now, and we are close to the EMAs. So this is actually a lower risk investment that you can make. So because we have this level of confusion, what do you do moving forward? So it's really important to spread out your buys, meaning if you're comfortable in buying DAR right now, then by all means go ahead. So you have a price purchase, let's say right here. So it's still close to the EMAs. All right, go ahead. But do not empty your bags. Why is that? Because once we break structure, then you start to DCA when the trend breaks. So for example, once the trend breaks right here, this is an opportunity area to buy. If we go down further from here, then once again, this is an opportunity to buy, etc., etc. So when faced with a tricky proposition like this, always remember, spread out your buys, not financial advice. If you like my video, please like and subscribe, hit the notification bell. Also, let me know what you think in the comments. If you also have other gaming cryptos that you would like me to look at, just leave it down in the comments below and I'll take a look at it in the future. Until then, take care everyone. Bye bye.